Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is Friday, October 12th, 2018. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, starting the day off with the S&P 500 E-mini futures, you're going to see that they are trading higher by 25 points. This is a little bit of a bounce or a little relief bounce, I guess. We did have Treasury Secretary Mnuchin out this morning. Also, you saw futures last night really starting to catch a bid. But nonetheless, these are very, very tumultuous markets. We've seen some real selling pressure this week. So we'll sit tight. We'll see what this market gives us. In the meantime, we have stocks in the news. We have JPM out this morning with earnings. Stock right now is trading at 109.66. Closed at 108.13. So you got a little bit of an uptick there. Again, the banks are kicking off earnings season. Next week we'll be in full-fledged earnings, and going forward for the next month we'll have earnings galore each and every day. So there'll be lots and lots of trading opportunities in the morning. Next up, we have Wells Fargo reporting earnings. They are trading at $52.26. Stock closed at $51.44. Next up, we have PNC Financial, ticker symbol PNC. That stock is trading at $130.10. This closed at $131.60, so this is a little on the weaker side. We'll be watching this one this morning. We'll see if it gives us any levels. There's nothing right off the bat that I see here for PNC that makes me want to jump in. But again, there's nothing terrible here for the stock either. So again, we'll watch this one closely. We'll see how it plays out, and we'll see what it gives us. But with this kind of market, we just have to take it one step at a time. Next up, we have Citigroup. Citigroup right now trading at $70.25. This is up from $68.38 at the close yesterday. So good little uptick there. We'll see if it can hold. Right now, Citigroup will give it the benefit of the doubt that maybe it can get back up to the $71 area. Right now, you can see how it hit this black line, which is a 200-period moving average, and it's stalled out there. So again, a lot of stocks are in play. You have some minor moves out here. Let's take a look at technology as a whole. We'll look at the XLK ETF. This is trading at $70.11. It closed at $68.63. So you got a little uptick there. So everything's getting a little bit of a bump, but there's nothing sensational out here right now. Netflix is on the radar today. NFLX stock, I believe, got upgraded this morning. Closed at $321.10. Now trading at $334.40. This is a stock that just does not have a pretty chart, but it is catching a decent bid today. So we'll be watching that one. Next up, you have Amazon, AMZN. Amazon trading at $17.83. This closed at $17.19. So that's a pretty good pop for Amazon this morning. Very good move. Let's take a look at Alibaba, the world's largest Chinese ADR. This is trading at $146.70, closed at $141.90. So Alibaba on the move as well. Again, a lot of these stocks have more work to do before they recapture more important levels. So be careful here. This is still a Friday. You got to see how this market plays out. It's just a little bit of a bounce from a very severe oversold condition at this point in time. Next up, we have 3M. I believe that was upgraded as well. Big Dow component. This is trading at $199.90, closed at $196.73. So today we have upgrades and we have some bounces going on in the market. But the reality of it is there's been a lot of damage done on the charts this week. A lot of levels coming into play, short-term bounce, but this may not be over already. So just be a little bit aware of that, and we'll see what we get on the charts. All right, let's switch gears here a little bit. Let's go over to the gold market. Gold had a huge monster bounce yesterday. Today it's selling off by $5.10. GLD right now trading at gold futures trading at $1,222.60 an ounce. The GLD trading at $115.34, closed at $115.78. So gold down ticking a little bit, but yesterday it did have a huge move due to a lot of fear in the market. Next up, we have crude oil getting a rebound today. Crude is up 82 cents to $71.70 a barrel. If you take a look at the USO, you'll see that's trading at $15.19. So good little pop there for crude oil this morning, and we'll see how that plays out once the opening bell rings. Looking at a couple of other things out here, we have the 10-year U.S. Treasury note yield at 3.158%. That's up 2.5 basis points this morning. We also have the dollar, the US dollar index, trading up a touch as well. Right now the dollar is sitting at 94.93. So again, we're going to see how this all plays out today. Let's watch this market. Once the opening bell rings, we'll see if it can hold its pre-market gains. Very, very often, I never like to see a stock or a market gap up from a big decline, but we'll see what it gives us today, and we'll just take it slow and steady, and hopefully I think there'll be lots of opportunities. So again, if you haven't done so, we've had an amazing week in the intraday stock chat room. Come on over, take that 7-day free trial, join us, and again, it's just been an incredible 2018 and an incredible week overall. With that being said, everybody, I'm going to leave it here short and sweet. I want to wish you all a great trading day, a great trading week, and again, we'll see you on the chart.